Hi,
What are we making today?
I'm making Indian ghee. Can you see this organic butter? Ghee is a clarified butter, which is very good for health. And in Ayurveda, they told ghee is very popular. So it's better nowadays instead of having butter. So everyone is suggesting to have ghee. You can put a ghee little bit on a rice, or you can put it on a little bit on pasta. But it's very simple to make. Just take this organic butter, but you have to take it unsalted. Okay, and I'm going to make it in an Insta pot. You have to saute it mode, make it for 10 minutes. You don't have to, in 10 minutes your ghee will get ready. Put it on right now at least for 10 minutes, and I'm going to put the sticks. Just take out the wrapper and put it in now. Slowly you will see it will start melting. You can make dal, or if you want to make your own paratha or Indian bread, just put little bit of ghee on the top of it. It's very good. They say it's in India, they say it's like a cooling for your stomach. Can you see it starts melting in? Yeah, it's a cooling substance, because lot of whenever we eat any type of food, it creates a heat in the stomach. So whenever you take a little bit ghee, it cools down your stomach. So you will not have heartburn. Whatever, it's very common having whenever you take a spicy food. So you will not have a heart. So you get heartburns. But when you take a ghee, it just.
Can I put it on omelets, or if I'm making
Yeah.
other sorts of
Once ghee, you can cook in ghee also. Whenever you make omelette, yeah. If it's not possible to put it while cooking, once the cooking is done or your omelette is ready, on the top of it you put, so that it will get a nice flavor. You will get a nice flavor of it. It started melting quickly. Can you see it? Yeah, it started bubbling now.
It started bubbling?
Yeah, it's almost.
So it needs to bubble like this?
Yeah, you hide, and it will separate all the milk particles from it, and you will get a nice clarified ghee. Till it's melting. Okay, now just 2 minutes. I think. Can you see it started boiling, and it started separating the milk fats? Can you see the milk fats? It started separating. So whatever is there, the rest is the ghee. You have to take out this milk fat, keep them aside, and you will get a clean, clarified ghee. Yeah, just heat it for 2 more minutes, then it's done, and let it cool down. Then you can put it in a nice water. Before putting a lid, it has to cool down completely. Now you can turn it off. Yeah, see, the butter is ready. I will show you. Can you see? It's too hot. Just be careful. The butter is ready. We call it as ghee. We don't call it now it's butter. It's ghee. So wait it till the time it gets cooled down, and then you can put it in a glass bottle. I will suggest you to put it in a glass bottle. Even if you want, you can refrigerate it, or even you can leave it outside on the kitchen shelf. It's good for next 1 month. It will not spoil. Hereafter, you don't have to go to Costco or any supermarket to have a ghee. You can make your own ghee at home. It's in less than 10 minutes. I will strain it. 1 minute. I will show you how to strain it. So that all the milk fats, it will come on the strainer. Can you strain it? This one, this you have to do. And this is the clarified butter.